Did you know about the honeypot ant, a special kind of ant that can turn its own body into a living storage tank for nectar? Honeypot ants, also known as honey ants, live in desert and semi-arid regions of the United States, Mexico, Africa, and Australia. They build their nests underground in sandy or rocky soil where food sources are scarce. Honeypot ants are small, growing up to about 0.5 inches in length. Their bodies can be reddish-brown, pale yellow, or even black, with the abdomen swelling like a grape when filled with liquid, appearing translucent and glistening under light. Many insects, especially bees, collect and store liquids for later use. However, these insects usually store food in their nests. What makes honeypot ants unique is that they use their own bodies as living food storage to be accessed by the colony during times of scarcity. Special worker ants, called repletes, are designated as food reservoirs. These ants are fed by other workers until their abdomens swell massively, rendering them nearly immobile. They then hang motionless from the ceilings of underground chambers, acting as living pantries for the colony. The abdomen of a honeypot ant can store liquids like nectar, plant sap, or sweet secretions from insects, and can weigh up to 0.04 ounces. 50 to 100 times more than a regular worker ant. When needed, other workers will gently stroke the antennae of a replete, prompting it to regurgitate the stored liquid from its crop to feed the colony. Honeypot ant honey is truly unique. Like bee honey, it has antibacterial properties that fight off pathogens and microbes that cause spoilage. However, unlike bee honey, honeypot ant honey contains significantly lower sugar concentrations. Studies have shown that honey from honeypot ants may have better antimicrobial effects against certain bacteria, yeasts, and molds than some types of bee honey. Honeypot ants are also edible and have occasionally been part of the traditional diet of many indigenous Australian communities. Aboriginal Australians have used honeypot ant honey to treat sore throats, colds, and even as a topical ointment for skin infections.